Hey guys, we're back in Atlanta, finally, and this is the weather that confront us. This is how crazy Atlanta looks when it rains. I mean, Atlanta traffic is already crazy without the rain, but when it rains, it's worse. And right now, it is pouring. We are just trying to get something to eat and get home. It's been a long journey. Driving from Atlanta to Illinois, from Illinois back to Atlanta. But we're almost home, guys. So we're grateful. And it looks like the rain held up a little. I guess you would say this is rush hour. It's 5:30. So. But anyway, every hour is rush hour in Atlanta, Georgia. The traffic is always crazy. The rain is pouring down again. But we're slowly inching our way home. Look at that madness over there. Look at the traffic back up over there. Up a little bit again. I don't know how long it's gonna stay. Hopefully it stays until we get home. But I'm just thankful that we made it back safe this far. We saw one terrible accident on the way back. A car just was just burst in flames. The the driver was outside his car with the police just watching it burn helplessly. But at least he was safe, so that was a good thing. So we are grateful for this journey from Atlanta to Illinois and back to Atlanta safe. We're thankful for that. Thank you, Jesus. Look like the rain is holding up, which is a great thing. But it looks like we are going to be in this traffic for a while. My husband is doing the best he can to maneuver and get us home quickly and safely. So guys, it looks like we're at a standstill. So I will be checking out until the next time. So take care guys until the next video. Be safe. Bye.